going to show you guys how to do this slick middle part slick back bun on blown out hair. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn those post notification and bell on, because I'm lit. And if you subscribe, we go glow and we got prosper together. That's on period. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and comment down below. But if you are not new, hey, welcome back. We are back with another video. But yeah, enough rambling, so the video won't be so long. We're gonna hop right into the video. I'm gonna hop right into it. I started off on freshly blown out hair, as you guys can see. I'm gonna start off using freshly blown out hair, and I'm gonna take my comb and I'm going to, let me lift y'all up a little bit so y'all can see. And I'm going to make my part straight. That you should have, hopefully you can see it. And you're going to take this front section and you're going to put this in a ponytail. Okay, so once you do that, you go brush your baby hairs out, because once you put them up, you do not want to have to deal with it. Then you go take and you go put your hair in a ponytail. You go put the edge brush all on the area. So my tripod is having problems right now, so this is how we go close out the video. This is the end look, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did recording it. I will see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn that post notification bell on because I'm lit. And if you subscribe, we go glow and we go possibly get the next one, period. And thumbs this video up, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. All my information will be linked in the description box below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.